Hi, I'm going to present to you today the topic of inequality. Inequality, you always see four different symbols. The first one is greater than, and it is the symbol that moving to the right, like this, right? Pointing to the right. And then you have greater than or equal to. So then you see the line that it is the same thing as greater than, but it has the line underneath the greater than sign. That means equal to. Then you have less than, right, which is pointing to the left, left, and right. Okay, and then you have less than or equal to. It's the same thing as less than, but it has the underneath line like this, which means equal to. Right, that is the first one I want to, and then I want you to go with the symbols on the symbol that represent the inequality. The first one you have greater than. Remember, greater than you can also write more than or bigger than, right? Bigger than. So there are different ways to say the same thing. And for that, you use the open circles and then it's pointing to the right. Right? The second one you have greater than or equal to, right? The difference is equal to. So another way to say it would be more than or equal to. Or you can also say bigger than or equal to. With this one, you use the closed circles, which is called closed circles, right? And moving to the right. So again, let me show you. Open circle, you with more than or less than, right? But you have the closed circles, you will with more than or equal to or less than equal to, right? So closed circle meaning also mean have the equals there. Okay? So less than. Less than you can also say fewer than or smaller than. Okay, so for this you use open circle and move to the left. Right, and the next one you have less than or equal to, so the difference is equal to. So for that one you use the closed circles. For this one you also can say the different way as fewer than or equal to or smaller than or equal to. So for this one you use closed circle and then pointing to the left. Okay, that the one of the vocabulary one. Okay, the next one we are going to practice. Let's practice with this one first. Okay, the first one you have s is more than or equal to -2, right? This one you are going to use the closed circle because you have the equal sign and then it's on -2. So this is -2. You put in the circles but closed circle and more than or equal to you point to the right? That's the first one. Second one, you have ISIS less than 5, right? Or smaller than 5. So that one you use open circle on number 5, which is here. Open circle, right? This is open, okay? Open circle. Delete it and then make a different one. Open circle, and then moving to the left. Okay, that's the second one. Number 3, s is less than or equal to 6. So you have a equal here. So you put it on number 6, a closed circle, and then less than or equal to, you point it to the left. Okay. Number 4, s is greater than 1, right? There's no equal here, so it is open circle on number 1, and greater than, you move to the right, okay? Number 5, x is less than -14, so open circle and less than -14, you need to open circles, and less than, you point to the left. Number 6, x is less than or equal to 9, right? This one have the equal there. So it is closed circles on number 9, right? Number 9, and then you're moving to the left, okay? So that is the graphing, right? The inequality. So I'm going to move to the next screen where we practice to read the graph, right? You choose the correct solution that best describes each graph. So the first one, you have -2, and then you see a closed circle, and then moving to the right. So when we move to the right, you have more than or equal to, right? And then -2 here. So you can find that's why, right? So which one is the same? More than or equal to is here. Number 1. Number 2, S is on between 0 and 19, 18, it should be 9 here, right? 9 there. You need to change the color. And you see the open circle and then to the left. So that means less than, right? So S is less than 9. Okay. Number 3. Number 3. Next. Okay. Which one is A? That should be A. Okay. Number 3. You see open circle on 12. So you need a 12. Right? Open and left. So that means less than, right? So I see less than 12 here. Which one say that? It's C. Right? Number 4 is you see a closed circle. So and then right. So you need a equal and move to the right, right? Need to change. So that means x is more than or equal to -20. Number 5, you have a closed circle on number 4 and left, right? So that means x is less than or equal to 4, right? Number 6. I see an open circle on -16, right? Open and right, so you need a more than. X is more than 16. So number 5, the answer here, which one is the same? Less than or equal to, which is A. Number 4, more than or equal to is B. Number 6, I see more than -16 is A. So that's it for now. And I'm going to give 2 examples for you to practice. The first one is x is more than 6, right? I want to ask you to graph it. And then the second one, if I have graph like this, right? And change the color, and I put here -14, right? And I want left side, right? Left side. Right? Then you have to find the right inequality with this graph, right? That's it for now. I'm going to give you the solution too, right? So, but I want you to stop here and then do it by yourself. But the first one, you need to have a number line, right? And then I'm going to change the colors. And then more than, there's no equal sign, so you need a open circles, and the number is 6, and it points to the right, so it going to the right, right? like this, right? So that is the graph. And then I'm going to do number 2. Number 2, you have a closed circle and move to the left. So that means it would be less than or equal to, and then x is then less than or equal to -40. All right, that's it for today. Thank you, everyone. See you soon. Bye-bye.